Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. Hey, how you guys doing? I really appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for coming back. So, this is another recommendation, MOI. I think it means my optimistic innovation. This is a music video to the song New World. I can't really tell if this is a group that's either Chinese or in Indonesian. Is it Indonesian? Indonesian. It's iPop. I'm gonna say iPop. I can't remember. Indonesia. You know what? Let me look on Google right. Yes, Indonesian. Oops. I need to go back to school for geography. But this is, I don't know if this is iPop or C-pop. I can't remember. So this is the music video to the song New World. Cutesy. Ooh, gorgeous. Come through, eyes. Yes. Aww, so cute. Come on, fake minutes. Oh, this must be iPop. Yeah, it's cutesy. It's giving me it's almost like the Japanese latte girl music videos, the schoolgirl videos. How about to say, is that Flora from the Wings Club? Come on. But I hit that note. Okay. Oh, that was a nice ending. that was a nice ending. That was so cute. That was a nice ending. For me, this was a very cute video. Something subtle, something nice, something so innocent, schoolgirl-ish. I don't have no problem with this music video or anything or the song or anything. It's just that when it comes to these type of videos like this, it's not really my type of speed. I need something like what Dollar gave me in Impican, Watch Me Glow. I like that. I like that. Brr. I like Fakey. There's a new age. I like that. I like Risk, Sex Appeal, Sell It, Sell It, Sell It, Sell It. But this is a very cute video. So thanks to the ones who recommend me to react to this group. So I'm assuming this is iPop. These girls are Indonesians. I think this group is iPop. So I really do appreciate it. I need to listen to other videos, music videos, or react to other videos that they have. But it's just that this New World song was kind of slow for me. It's very cute. It's like it's slow for me, but it's not really the type of music I care to listen to, or song I care to listen to. But thank you though, I really do appreciate it. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? And please, I'm not hating, it's just that this song New World is not for me. It's not for me. I'm not the target audience for this music video. But if whatever else you guys want me to react to from this group, I'm looking to react to it, just let me know. But I'm going to react to something myself from this group. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.